It's been 3 months and I haven't been outside at all. Bar in a light boat, just which is quite big. What's up guys, welcome back to another day at sea, and we are in the port of Hamburg in Germany, and it's super cold. And you can see, I think I must have seen in the time lapse how the passage was, and we are moving astern now. So guys, you can see how close we are to the ship, and you can see literally see the bridge of that ship. And yeah,
Forward, Captain.
Captain, go ahead.
Level up. Okay, thank you. Sorry.
Captain, bow is now almost in line with the stern of the feeder. So where you can see now the stern is clear, and now we will go alongside. So yeah, that's the plan for today. Also guys, let me show off my latest gear, which was from Scandia, and you can see my OS. He will be sending the heaving line now. So you can see so now the heaving line will be sent ashore. Finally alongside, and yeah, you can see behind me Emma. And you remember initial days I came to Hamburg, and I was showing you these bridges. So have a closer look. And yeah, we are 6 and 2 today. Oh, and it's so cold.
Part of the water have to gone out because we want the other water that is in the system.
Yeah, that's correct.
Yeah.
So that's for the pH, okay.
And temperature.
So guys, as you saw before, the lady, she was the ship sanitation officer, and we had to renew our sanitation certificate. So she took a round of the entire accommodation and collected some water samples from our taps to check if it has enough minerals, and it's healthy enough. So that is every 6 months, which we have to do. That is for our own health. So guys, now today we are doing also the bunkering with the HFO, and you see the hose which is connected here. That's our barge. भाई साहब, इतनी खुशी आज तक नहीं हुई क्योंकि it's been 3 months and I haven't been outside at all. Also, before we start, I will show you this truck which is doing the lube oil, take lube oil for the main engine and all the auxiliary engines and stuff like that. So it's coming from here. So bunker barge, you've seen that side. Lube oil, we get it by truck from the shore. Guys, that would be our pickup for today, and yeah, let's go. I have with me all my engineers and my Chris and Van, all of them are here. We are here guys, and I'll just show you around. It's a very beautiful Siemens club. You can see it's got a good setup. And that's the entrance. Guys, have a look how pretty this is. Let me give you guys a small tour of the Siemens Club. So we've got some calling booths over here. Then we'll go there next time. Oh, not next time, but after some time. Then we have foosball, all the light boys from different ships, billiards table, snooker table. And then, oh, this is so beautiful guys. Just like a camera tripod, exciting. Then there's a piano set over there, one more piano set. Really loving the vibes from this place. It feels good after. Oh, by the way, I can see the ship from here. somewhere over there, so it was just like 2 minutes drive away, so that's good. So here we are, like the list of people who've been here, and they've attached like a passport size picture, you know, for remembrance. And okay, let's go up and see what's there. It's so good. We have prayers for Sikhs, Ganesh, Buddhists. We have a good piano, and then we have for Jesus Christ. So nice. I don't know about that. Judentum. Okay, not sure about that, but this is such a nice thing to do for seafarers, you know. I feel really nice looking at this. I finding kind of finding it peaceful. See all these awesome souvenirs. Bought ships in bottles, and you know, like the old legends, message in a bottle kind of concept. So guys, that is the Seamen's Club, and I'll give you a quick tour of the outside. Watch out what all we have here, and you can see the basketball court, but first you can see the big windmill over here. So Germany and, you know, most of the European countries are managing power through windmills, and it's a big project, so it's really nice. And let's go ahead, let's see what all we have. Basketball court I've shown you. Then we have the small chest, miniature chest, which is quite big. And then we have this foosball table outdoor, a good place to sit. We are in Germany, and how can we miss good German cars? I found this awesome car over here. You can see, 2-seater, really beautiful. We have good greenery. Finally, good to see some greenery and leaves and trees. You know, see, it's so pretty, and I think this is kind of a bar in a lifeboat, and it's just really beautiful concept, guys. So guys, I had a lot of fun and had some good goodies. Oh, I forgot something. I bought some chocolates, you know, which I'll take home because they're really cheap over here. Got some amazing Milka flavors. That's German chocolate, and we have my favorite, Ritter Sports. And yeah, that's about it. Let's go home and let's get some rest now. Okay, that's the end of the Seamen's Club, and we have a railway track over here. That's like the port location. But then the reality is somewhere over there. There's Emma, and you know, I'm walking down to the gate, and from there I will go inside the port. Guys, I feel so refreshed, you know, being at land after so long with all these railway tracks. Like I told you, I love trains, and I see these railway tracks. It's really nice. You can have a view of this, you know. Guys, back to reality हो गया यार, वापस ship पे जाना है. I don't want to go, but these engineers, they still have time, but I have to do my watch, so I have to come back earlier. So that's the advantage of being an engineer, you know. Get some more time at ports. But so far so good. I feel refreshed. I feel like, you know, a tourist. But yeah, that's it. And now let's go rest and let's see what happens next. Guys, today we have few service technicians who are doing the repair and, you know, general service of our equipments from JRC and Furono and Sperry. So recently we had a radio down, so they're going to check up on that. By the way, guys, that's the city over there, and there are so many windmills, and you know, oh, there's a train also going. I like this. I love Hamburg, guys. It's I don't know, there's some really nice vibes from this city. I haven't slept much last night because we had a general alarm 3 o'clock in the night, so everything was screwed. But I wanted to show you guys how these gantry cranes are, you know, moving. Now the problem is this gantry crane is just behind our crane, so our monorail crane, so we cannot pick up spares and everything. So now we are trying to fix that, but the terminal does not want to do that because it costs time and delay is not in their dictionary. So let's see. So guys, finally it's time for departure from Hamburg, and I believe it was a really good port stay for all of us because we got to go ashore and refresh our minds, because it is really important from time to time to keep your mind fresh off from the ship. And yeah, due to the coronavirus, I know it's a bit restricted, but I take out time whenever I get to go ashore. So guys, if you like the video for whatever reason, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to the channel, and I'll see you at another day from the ship.